The future of property management. Say goodbye to legacy systems. According to a 2024 Deloitte survey conducted in the USA, over 61% of real estate firms still rely on legacy systems, despite the rise of PropTech. Interestingly, 50% of them are ready to switch. So what's holding them back? Fear of disruption. Property management operates 24/7. A sudden system migration could disrupt rent collection, tenant communication, and maintenance workflows. Many firms worry about data loss, downtime, or failed implementations. Resistance to change. Let's be honest, real estate firms have operated the same way for decades. Decision makers prefer familiar systems, and employees often resist new technology, sticking to manual processes like spreadsheets. Lack of IT expertise. Unlike tech-driven industries, most property firms don't have in-house IT teams to manage large-scale software upgrades. They rely on third-party vendors, which can slow down the transition. Data security concerns. Property management involves handling sensitive financial and tenant data. Many firms worry that moving to cloud-based systems will expose them to cybersecurity risks and compliance challenges. Outdated systems equals limited growth. Check RealEstatePro. The future of property management. Seamless transition, no downtime, no lost data, no stress. Automation. Rent collection, lease management, and maintenance requests handled effortlessly. User-friendly interface. No IT expertise needed. Just an intuitive dashboard with real-time insights. Advanced security and compliance. Protecting your data with enterprise-grade security. Scalability. Manage a few properties or a massive portfolio without limitations. The future of real estate will be digital. Make the switch with RealEstatePro today.